Hey there! Get ready to take your trading skills to the next level with a one-of-a-kind strategy, custom-made for you. The best part? This bad boy works like a charm on any time frame. To put any doubts about its profitability to rest, I'll put it through its paces with 100 trades. Let's dive in and open up the 3-minute Bitcoin chart on TradingView. To kick things off, we'll add the pivot point super trend indicator to our chart. Once it's all set up, I'll walk you through the process of tweaking it to perfection. Just follow along as I fiddle with its settings. You'll be a pro in no time. This indicator is pretty straightforward. It clearly shows when to buy and when to sell. But hold your horses, because it can sometimes throw out signals that go against the trend. To take our strategy to the next level and to solve this issue, we're going to introduce another awesome indicator into the mix, the quadratic weighted MACD. After adding it to the chart, tweak its settings to optimize it for our strategy. This is going to take our trading game to a whole new level. We have successfully set up our two indicators and are now poised to begin trading. However, before we embark on trading, it would be prudent to review the results of our thorough backtesting. Over the course of 6 weeks, we meticulously tested our strategy by executing 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart, utilizing a 3-minute time frame. The results of this exercise were quite encouraging, as our strategy demonstrated a noteworthy win rate of 79%, resulting in an admirable gain of 161%. These outcomes serve as a promising indication of the strategy's potential efficacy in live trading scenarios. Alright, let's delve into how to execute trades using this strategy. For a buy trade, we're on the lookout for a green triangle from the pivot point supertrend, which serves as a buy signal. To validate this buy signal, we turn to the quadratic weighted MACD indicator. This indicator features a vibrant area that playfully moves around the sleek zero-level line. When the QWMA area ascends above this line, it's akin to a neon sign flashing buy, a definitive sign of bullish market momentum. Once these criteria are fulfilled, you're all set to enter the trade. Position your stop loss beneath the super trend line and set your sights on a target that's 1.5 times your risk. Let's talk about how to apply this strategy for a short trade. For a sell trade, we need to be vigilant for a red triangle from the pivot point supertrend, which signals a sell opportunity. To confirm the sell signal, we prefer the quadratic weighted MACD indicator. This indicator has a colorful area that dances around the zero-level line. When the QWMA area drops below the zero line, it's like a neon sign flashing sell, a clear indication of bearish market momentum. Once these conditions are met, you're ready to enter the trade. Set your stop loss above the super trend line and aim for a target that's 1.5 times your risk. I understand you may still be considering which strategy to adopt for your trading journey. Fear not, my friends. I've got a recommended video that could provide the clarity you need. Stay tuned and get ready to kickstart your trading success. Happy trading!